Hey guys, welcome to Mommy Eating Well, where we talk about everything low carb, keto. Also, I'm Callie, and I am on a journey to losing 100 pounds. I'm already 44 pounds down, and I have a weigh-in coming in August 8th, so I can update you on how things are going. But today, I'm going to be talking about a keto grocery haul. I found some great goodies today, and I just want to share that with y'all. So if you want to hear about that, stay tuned. Hey guys, let's jump right in. So I went to the grocery store. I like to go to the grocery store on Friday. It just works best for me and my schedule with my family. And I went ahead and knocked it out this week. I also was able to make my meal plan before I actually went to the grocery store so that I wouldn't buy a whole bunch of extra things. I did end up buying a few little extra things, but I can't wait to show you these things, and I'm just really excited to try them out, okay? So let's hop into this haul. Okay, so the way I'm going to do this is I am going to pick up items, and then I'm going to tell you what I plan to eat with that. Because oh man, guys, I don't know what happened from this week and last week, but I found a whole bunch of keto-friendly just stuff in the store, and I'm just like really excited to share that with you. So anyway, let's hop in. So let's start with breakfast. So guys, so excited. So my husband and I, we tried chia seed pudding this past week. We had some coconut milk and we had some chia seeds that I bought, and guys, game changer, okay? So we've been eating that for breakfast, and we eat that with our canola. What's canola? Basically is granola without the oats, and it is something that I make. I have a recipe on my page. I will link that in the description box, okay? But anyway, so we did that with the chia seed. Oh God, it was so good. And I also added just a few drops of my sweet drops into it. It's a sweetener that I do like and really enjoy. But guys, that was so good. I have some leftover walnuts from last week, and so that's just an option. I can do walnuts or the canola to top it, but it was very filling, very delicious. Loved it. So the next thing I got is some coconut oil. I was running low on my olive oil, and I wanted to switch over to coconut oil because I believe coconut oil is medium chain. I can't MCT. It's kind of it's a better oil for low carb, keto, whatever. I don't know. But anyway, but the biggest thing about it is I wanted to make little chocolate peanut clusters this week, and I've been using the olive oil, but this coconut oil it becomes like this at room temperature, and olive oil doesn't. So when I make my little peanut clusters, they begin to melt, and then with the coconut oil they won't. So really excited about that. I was able to get some Lily's chocolates again. I always get Lily's chocolates because it's the best. I love it. Also got some tomato sauce. Be careful with tomato sauce, guys. It does have more sugar. The net carb for this, which is 1/4 cup, 5 carbs plus 3 is 8. And then so you subtract 2 fibers. So that's going to give you 6 net carb per serving. So you just got to be real careful with tomato. I also got some enchilada sauce. I plan to make some chicken enchilada soup. So I'm really excited about that. It's going to be really tasty. And I got some chicken broth to go with that. So that's going to be real good. I got my Italian green beans again. I found a bigger can. My husband and I, we love this. This is a different brand. So we'll see how that goes this week. Also I did a little splurge. This is what I was talking about, guys. I picked up a few things that I really wanted and to try out. So I did that. So I got some Bubble, and this is the watermelon lime. So tasty. I've had it before. It's really good. It's like, I think we got 1 gram of sugar. That's it. No artificial sweeteners. So yeah. So what I'm gonna have for lunch today is I found this real good pizza. And so what this is the net carbs on it is 4, as 25 grams of protein. And so I don't know if y'all are familiar with fat dough. That's usually what we create. But this one is a chicken breast and Parmesan cheese crust. I know, right? So I'm going to have that for lunch with my little buy drink. I cannot wait. I'm actually going to make that like pretty soon. I'm off today. I have this test I have to take. I hope I do well. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, besides the point, I got some pepperoni for when we do make our fat dough pizza. And also I found that pepperonis are actually a really good snack for us. Just a few times a week. We don't do a lot of red meat during the week. Like we'll do it like twice a week maybe. So that, you know, we don't get, I don't know, like with me, we're not really big red meat eaters. We will eat it, but it's not like an everyday thing. We eat more of a chicken, like turkey. We eat a lot of fish. That's mainly what we eat. And this week I ended up buying a lot of chicken because chicken is cheap and it just, you have more portions of it. So I already put in the fridge. I didn't want to leave that out. And then I bought shrimp. Oh God, I found the best shrimp this week. Well, last week I discovered it, really loved it. What I did with it was I put a nice Cajun season on it with salt and pepper, and I put it in the pan, and then I made this butter lime sauce. So good, guys, so good. So that's been kind of like my new thing right now. So good. I also got some baby Bella. I thought this would be great with the pepperonis as a snack. So I got that. Some canned tuna. Tuna's real easy to make for your lunches. And like I said, I got some peanuts to go with my peanut clusters that I made. All right, so let's get to some of the awesome items that I got. So, boom. Yes. So last week I got some Enlightened keto ice cream, but I got the dark chocolate. It was good, it was tasty, but this right here, guys, if you ever had like a nutty butter bar, yep, exact same taste. So good. I got 2 of those. I had a coupon, so I was really excited. I was able to get that for a deal. And then I am so excited to try this out. I'm going to show you what I got here in a second. So I found these Quest tortilla style protein chips. So I'm excited to try that out. These are 5, 6, 4 net carbs. So we plan to have, we were going to do lettuce wraps, lettuce taco wraps. But I think this will, we're still going to do that, but this is going to be real nice to go with it on the side. So I got that one as well as this one, and I cannot wait to show my hubby that. He's going to really enjoy that because he loves like chips. And, you know, pork rinds is cool, but you get tired of pork rinds. You want that chip again. So I'm really excited about that. I also got some cream cheese to go with the broccoli. So I'm gonna I plan to make a broccoli cheddar soup. So good. I need to do the recipe for it for you guys, but I do broccoli, some chicken broth at the bottom. I put some seasoning in there like thyme. What else I put in there? I put a few other things in there, and then I let that go in the oven, and then about 2 hours later, I'll put the cream cheese on there, and then I'll put the cheddar cheese in, guys. Oh yeah, and heavy cream too. So good, guys. So good. Yes. I discovered a very tasty salad dressing last week. This particular brand, I tried their habanero ranch last week, and so I'm trying their creamy Caesar this week. Really good. I was telling my coworkers about this brand. I could not believe how tasty this is. Very keto friendly. It also said it's whole food, Whole30 approved also. It's dairy free, gluten free, cage free eggs, as well as sugar free. So, and organic. So this stuff right here is super legit, really good. I got some strawberries this week. Last week I got kiwi. I found that kiwi are very high in sugar. I did not know. So I don't know what to do with those kiwis yet. I'm thinking about just cutting them in half and then eating them slowly like that. I don't know. I hadn't figured that out yet. But I got strawberries this week. Strawberries, like I said, fruit is just higher in sugar content. However, you can still get them and they still be really good as far as just watching your net carbs for the day. Also, I got some Brussels sprouts. Really excited about that. I actually have a video of how I make my Brussels sprout stir fry. Super simple, guys. I was able to get some more ginger this week. All I do is throw oil in the pan, Brussels sprouts, as well as the ginger. Let it cook a little bit. Put a little bit of organic coconut amino acids. So good. Sometimes if I want to get fancy, I'll put some yellow onion as well as cashews and green onions in it. Guys, set. And I will have that this week with some shrimp. So good. I found these cute little broccoli. It's a hybrid of a broccoli and a Chinese kale. So real easy to throw in the pot with some chicken that I got this week. So that'll be 4 servings for us. So I'm excited about that. And it only has 5, 6. It only has 2 net carbs per serving. That's crazy. Really good. This stuff is legit. But yeah, y'all know, eat your vegetables. So this week I got some tea. So I love my buy stuff. I love my there's another one I drink. I can't think of it right now. But I love my stuff. And they're kind of hitting my pocket. So I got some tea and I put my little sweet drops in there and it's just perfect. It tastes the same to me. So I do that. All right, and then I got one last thing, one last goodie that I'm really excited about trying. So last week I discovered flaxseed crackers. I discovered the brand Flackers. Delicious, so good. And I wondered if I could make the flaxseed crackers myself. So I found this meal and I'm going to attempt to make some flaxseed crackers this weekend. So that's going to be kind of my little keto project, figuring out what I like as far as that and the seasonings for it. So I'm going to try that out this week. Really excited about that. And when I get that tweaked just the way I want it, I will definitely put the recipe up for you guys. So, oh yeah, one more thing. I wanted to show you lilies. So I usually get a different type. This is a different label. I don't really know what the difference is, but lilies is still a great no sugar added substitute for keto. It's really good. And the net carbs on it is, so you got carbohydrates 8 plus no sugar, and then you have fiber plus the sugar alcohol 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 0 net carbs, guys. So that's cool. So I'm gonna do my peanut cluster with that. But yeah, so that's pretty much my haul. I have a few other things like bell peppers that's gonna go with my enchilada soup. I got some salad. We always have a nice good salad within our meal plan because it is high in those elements you need, such as sodium, potassium, magnesium. So yeah, so this is pretty much the haul, guys. I hope y'all have, oh, you know what, I'm sorry guys, 2 more things and that's it. So I also got some more avocado. Baby girl is going to be trying her first salad this week. Really excited about that. And some coriander we use to make an Indian curry. I usually buy it in the bulk section, but they didn't have it due to you know, the pandemic right now. Some of the spices that they usually have, they don't have, but they did have it in the regular aisle, so that was really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna make an Indian curry that I love to make with the heavy cream instead of yogurt. So good. But anyway, so for real this time, that is all I have for y'all this week. Thank y'all so much for watching these hauls. I think y'all like them. I got a lot of comments about them. The last one I did, and I think I'm gonna start trying to do at least 2 a month, okay? Thank y'all so much. Comment, like, subscribe. I will keep doing videos, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.